Come test drive the 2017
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, integrated turn signal mirrors, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.